Let's talk about filling down. Okay, I'm going to delete these right now. And I'm also going to delete these right now. So let's say I have January, February, March. I can take that same handle and drag it down to, notice over here to the right, you see what month you're at. So now there's January through December. If I kept dragging that down, it would keep repeating January through December as long as I was pulling it down. Okay. So likewise, if I have 1, 2, 3, I can drag this down. Let's just go to 20 down. Okay, so now I have the numbers 1 through 20. Here I have a formula. C2 times 2. So now this is 2, 4, 6. Likewise, I can hover here until my arrow or my cross turns black, double click, and now that will copy that formula down as far as there is data to the left of it.